Hi guys, so I wanted to review that, but in typical Italian fashion, is broken. So let me show you what's wrong with it, fix it, and we go for a ride when the weather is a bit better. Cheers. So my issue is this guy right here, cooling pipe. Just blew up last time, very nice white smoke. Luckily it wasn't the car that was on fire, so yeah, we fixed that. I purchased some standard silicone pipe. I'll show you what it looks like at the back. Alright, so that guy is gonna be somewhere under there. Can't see it from here. Maybe you can see where I disconnected the coolant pipe down there. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So I'll be fixing that one. I think this thing is absolutely empty. So put back the hose. I put back the banjo bolt on the head. Everything looks fine. And now I need to fill the cooling system with a mix of water and coolant. And as you can hear, maybe it's bubbling like crazy.